Good morning, children. My name is B. Ravinder Reddy. So I am working at Government High School, Parpalli Street, Siddipet. So in acids and bases, we completed what up to what lecture number 22 we completed. Lecture number 22 we completed. That is what about the uses of acids and bases. Now we are at what lecture number 23. Lecture number 23. That is what types of salts. Types of salts. Types of salts. So what is meant by salt? First. What is meant by salt? Salt means what? The substance or the compound which is formed from the acid base reaction, which is formed from where acid base reaction is called as what? Salt. Due to the what mixing of acid and base, we will get as what? Salt. Salt is formed due to the what? Acid and base reaction, which reaction is called as neutralization reaction. Let me take what some salts which are formed. NaOH base, HCl is what? Acid. This is base, this is acid. When these two are reacts with each other and formed sodium chloride plus water, so this is called as what? Salt. Whenever, for example, NaOH is treated with H2SO4, this water acid has what? Two hydrogen ions, two replaceable H plus ions. So that's why it can form what? Two kinds of what? Salts. First, if one hydrogen is replaced, we will get NaHSO4 plus H2O. This is what? Salt sodium bisulfate. This is what? Base, this is acid. So if two hydrogens are replaced, means what? Two NaOH are what? Reacts with H2SO4. Reacts with what? H2SO4. We will get as what? Na2SO4. Sodium sulfate plus what? Water. 2 moles of water is formed. This is what? Salt. Salts are formed from the what? Acid base reactions. These are the what? Arrhenius neutralization reactions. Now let me take ammonia plus what? HCl. Ammonia is base, this is what? Acid. When these two are what? Reacts with each other, we will get as what? Ammonium chloride. This is what? Salt. Ammonium chloride is a salt. Next one, let me take what? SiO2 plus what? CaO. SiO2 is what? Acid. CaO is what? Base. These two are reacts with each other, we will get as what? CaSiO3. Calcium silicate. Salt is formed. Calcium silicate. Salt is formed. So this is the what about the salts which are formed due to the what? Neutralization reaction. Next, these salts are further divided into what? Different types, different kinds. We have different types of salts. Around what? 10 types of salts we have. Those are 10 types of salts are: one is normal salt. Next one, second one is acidic salt. So what is meant by acidic salt and how it is formed, so we will discuss later after completion of what these types of salts. Next one, basic salt. Next, fourth type of salt is mixed salt. Next one, fifth kind of salt is double salt. Next one, sixth type of salt is complex salt. Complex salt. Seventh type of salt is deliquescent salt. Next one, eighth type of salt is fluorescent salt. Ninth type of salt is hydrated salt. Ninth type of salt is what? Hydrated salt. 10th type of salt is unhydrated salt. So these are the what? 10 types of salts. 10 total what? How many types of salts we have? Total 10 types of salts we have. Now let me take first kind of salt. Normal salt. What is meant by normal salt? The salt which is formed due to the complete neutralization of acid and base. That salt is called as what? Normal salt. Means what? All H plus ions are replaced by the what? Base. That is said to be what? So normal salt. For example, one normal salt's example is what? Sodium chloride, potassium chloride, sodium sulfate. Next one, potassium phosphate. Like what all salts are. These are the salts. In these salts, what? No further replaceable H plus and OH minus ions are present, such that these are said to be what? Normal salt. What it is called? Normal salt. Next, second one, let me discuss. Second type of salt is acidic salt. acidic salt.